And welcome back to the 2 minute market. We go over today's market while keeping it as simple as possible. Now, after yesterday's huge sell-off, the main question today was how would the market react? And to get the answer to that, we have to go to the S&P 500. If you look at this chart above, you'll see the S&P 500 over the last 5 days. And what happened again yesterday, we had that huge sell-off after the Fed meeting. And then today, you'll see that we have just been going over sideways. No big directions up, no big directions down, just kept going sideways. Now, that's a very telling tale because what happens is the market forms patterns, and patterns is what you look out for. So one of the worst patterns is actually a 90-degree angle, meaning they go down and then they go straight to the right. And the opposite is true. If you see a chart going up and then to the right, that's actually a very good sign that we can continue to go up. So again, going down and then going to right usually is a sign that the market might keep going down. Let's go into the indices above. If you look at the indices above, you'll see exactly the same tail that I showed you with the S&P 500. Basically, we were flat today and no real movement, but a couple stocks had a lot of action. The main culprits were the ones I've been talking about that's been going on a tear. First, if you look at this Tesla chart, you'll see that Tesla has been down big. From the highs before the meeting to today's lows, Tesla was down almost 15%, as well as Alphabet. And again, Alphabet is Google. So for the last couple weeks, I've been saying Google keeps going up, Google keeps going up. Well, again, what goes up must come down. If you look at Google, you'll see that Google has been down about 5%. And again, these are trillion-dollar companies. So you'll see 15% and 5% might not seem like a lot, but that's billions of dollars, as well as Broadcom. If you look above for the last month, Broadcom has been going crazy. Broadcom was about $150 per share, and then it went all the way up to $250, almost up 60%. And then now Broadcom came down about 20%. So again, they made huge lows. Now let's go over to the cryptocurrency side, and you'll see that Bitcoin is still coming in nicely after stopping at that 100,000 and is still seeing further sell-off. And Ethereum I did not talk about yesterday, but Ethereum is at a very key level. And I know a lot of people who watch this are really big fans of Ethereum. Please listen to this. There is major support at that $3,400 range. If Ethereum breaks down lower than this, Ethereum could free fall. But again, there's still hope. We just need to see if it goes below that $3,400 range. Like I was saying yesterday, that was a huge sell-off, and I said this might be the beginning of the end. But honestly, for all markets, we still have a chance to still go up. Like I was saying, the president inauguration is next month, and most likely we're not going to see a sell-off going into that. And that sell-off yesterday was most likely institution. And then next week, we're going to go to the holiday week, and usually institutions take that week off. So then retail sellers like me and you are going to be in the market, and usually when retail sellers do is they push the market up because they buy stock. So all is not lost, and we might see a rally, but again, we have to be very cautious. So please stick with the 2-minute market for the next couple of weeks. I'm going to let you guys know everything I'm seeing. Again, this is the 2-minute market. I'll see you soon. Peace.